we are going to discuss few text formulas in Microsoft Excel. Text formula are those formulas which is used to manipulate text or string. Text, you can say A is a text, ABC is a text, name of some person is also a text. String, we can also use the word string for that. Okay, string mean combination of more than one characters is called a string. A is a character, B is a character, Z is a character, Ali is a string. It contains 3 characters. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss some text function in Microsoft Excel. First of all, we have left function. Left function is used when you want to extract the leftmost characters from a string. The syntax of left is equal to left, and then you will show the text, which text you want to collect, the left of which text. Okay, and number of characters, how many characters you want in your left. Okay, let's see. I'm going to apply it in Excel practically. For example, I'm going to apply it on the name. Here we have names, first name, middle name and last name of few persons. I want only 3 characters of the middle name. Okay, first 3 characters, J-A-M, A-Y-E, Z-A-M, like that. Okay, so I will apply the formula left. How? Is equal to L-E-F-T, left, bracket starts, and then I will show it which text. This is the text. I have selected the cell number of that text, that is B2, comma, I want 3 characters from the left of that, and then I will press enter. As you see, I have got J-A-M. If I apply it to all, I will get the first 3 words of names of every person. Okay, this is known as left. Okay, now I want the right one characters. Right characters will show us the right last characters of something. Okay, how it will work? I will type is equal to R-I-G-H-T, right, bracket start, and then I will show it the text. Text is, for example, I will choose the middle name in this case also, comma, how much characters I want? I want only last 2 characters of every name, comma 2 and bracket close. I pressed enter. I got AL from Jamal. Now I am going to copy it for all. I got HA from Aisha. I got AN from Zaman. I got IA from Zia. And I got the last characters of every name in Microsoft Excel here. So the right and left both have the same formula. Okay. Now I want the length of something. Length means number of characters in a string. Okay, number of characters in a string are called length of something. For example, I want to know how much characters the name Jamal contains. I can see them clearly that it contains 5 characters, but there may be 1000 names, there may be 10,000 names. Then in that case, we will apply the formula that will make easy for us to count the number of characters of name. Okay, that is, the formula is called length. How will we use it? Is equal to L-E-N, length, is equal to L-E-N, length. I will not type is equal to L-E-N-G-T-H, length. Okay, I'll start the bracket and then I'll choose that middle name, comma, not comma. I will close the bracket and enter. is equal to len, and bracket, in the bracket I'll show the text. Okay, then I'll press enter. It is showing us that the name Jamal contains 5 characters, and it is calculating the characters of every name here. So this is our formula len. Syntax is equal to len of text. Got it? Now another formula, that is mid. Mid is used to show the middle characters of something. Okay? For example, we have Jamal. I want only AMA. I want only AMA. Then I will use to find the mid string of that Jamal. How? I will get the mid. I will apply formula like that is equal to MID mid, and then I'll start the bracket. It will take 3 values. Okay, the first value is the string, the text. I got the text in cell number B2, and the second one is the starting number from where I should start. For example, I should start from character number 2, the second word, comma, how much characters I want. I want 3 characters from the middle of every name, and then I pressed enter. I got AMA. Now I want to apply it to all. I have got the middle characters of every name. This is how we will apply the formula mid. Now, if you want to find something in a given text, you will apply the formula find. Okay? Find has the syntax is equal to find, then you will show the text. What text do you want to find? And then within which text? Okay, comma, the starting number. For example, I want to apply find for, I want to know that whether every name contains A or not. Okay, whether every name contains A or not. Like Ali contains A, Ahmed contains A. Most of the names has A. Okay. Now I want to find how much names have A. I will apply the formula find, and then I will find text. Which text I want to find? I will type it in double quotes. Okay. I want to find the word A, comma, within text. Within which text? I want in last name. Okay. So the last name cell number is C2, and bracket close, and then I'll press enter. It is showing us a hash value. Why? I think it contains more than one is. That's why. No. There is something missing in the formula. Comma, start number. Start number is no, I don't need the mid bracket here. Comma, the starting number. Mid bracket is just there in the formula syntax. If you apply any formula, you will see many types of brackets here. Okay, but the only bracket is that one that starts the formula. Other brackets are just for syntax sake. It says that you will find the text, within text, and the starting number. I want to find, for example, text AL, comma, from which I want to find it from Jamal, and bracket close. Now it is showing us that it contains at position number 4. Now I want to find AL for all of them. It is showing us every character contains AL. Okay. That is how we will apply the formula for find. Now let's move on to another one, that is proper upper. So first of all, I will apply the proper. Proper means first of all I will apply the capital, I will apply the small, and I will apply the init cap. Okay. Proper mean capital mean that I want to return a string as capital words. I want to write the name in capital words like that, is equal to, I will apply the formula upper, 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 and I'll start the bracket. When I'll start the bracket, it will ask me for the text. I will show it the text. This one, I'll close the bracket and press enter. It is giving us the name in capital. Now I want to make it small letters. For making a string in small letter, I will apply the case name is lower, 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 and then I'll show the text. The text is this one, and it is converting it to the lowercase. Now I want it init cap. Init cap means I want J to be capital, A to be capital, Z to be, first letter must be capital. This is known as proper case or init cap. So for that I'll apply the formula is equal to proper, bracket starts, and the cell number is B2. Enter. It is showing J in capital, and it will show the name of everyone, the first word of everyone in capital. These are upper, lower, and proper cases. These formulas are for finding upper, lower, and proper. Now another one in this series is repeat. Repeat means to repeat some text, to repeat some string. For that purpose, I'm going to apply it to the end of that sheet. For example, here I'll apply repeat formula. So I want to repeat MR, MIS 3 times. Okay. I want it to be MR, MR, MR. Okay. And then how I will do it? I'll apply the formula. How is equal to REPT. REPT, bracket starts, and I will then show the text. Text is A2, comma, how much time I want it? I want it 3 times, and bracket close and enter. You have seen that MR is written 3 times, and the all others are written in 3 times. Okay. This is known as repeat formula. It will repeat some text for number of times you want. Okay. Now I am going to apply another formula, that is trim. Trim is going to trim extra spaces in some text. Okay. Trim can trim the extra spaces from any text. I want some sort of text before trim. Okay. Before trim, I am going to write that Mr. 1, 2, 3 spaces and Ali, like that. Okay. And I'm going to apply it to the all of cells. Now I will apply the trim. How I will trim that extra space? So for trimming extra space, I will apply is equal to trim, bracket starts, and I will show it the text I want to trim. Okay, is equal to trim, bracket start, or I will show the cell number of text. It has given only one space, and all the extra spaces are trimmed. This is known as trim. Now substitute is also a type of trim. The last one is concatenate. Concatenate means to combine, to make single. Okay. For example, I want first name, middle name and last name at one place and give it the title of full name. Okay. Now I have got all the names here. I have got first name, middle name and last name. I will show another column here that will name as full name, and I want this full name to contain all the names. So I will apply is equal to CONCAT, concat or concatenate. I will apply concat, bracket starts, and then I will show it the text which I want to concat. I want the first name, comma, I want the second name, comma, I want the third name, last name, and then press enter. You have seen Mr. Jamal Ali. This is the full name of that person. Okay? And in the similar way, I got the full names of everyone. Okay? Now another thing, very interesting thing that can be solved by concat. Okay? For example, I am going to type the mobile number of someone here. For example, I have typed two mobile numbers here. You have seen that there is a problem with mobile number. What is the problem? 0 is missing here. Because we are working in a numeric format. We are working in numeric format. That's why Excel have missed the 0. Now we have two ways to solve this problem. The first way is the concat formula. Okay, that is for example, I will write prefix here and number here. Okay, the prefix contains, I want 0. Okay, I type the 0 in the whole column, and in the next column I am going to type the number. And I want to copy it along. Now I want both of them to be in one cell. Then I will give it the name of cell, number, mobile number, anything is equal to, I will apply concat, bracket start, the prefix, comma, the number. Okay, then I'll close the bracket, and you will see that you have got the complete mobile number of that person with 0. Now the other way, the second method for that. Second method is I'm going to do a simple thing is equal to this cell prefix and this cell. I have placed the word and between them. It will also join both of them and show us the proper number. Okay, and the third and mostly used method. These both methods are not applied practically. Okay, third method is if I'm going to write this type of thing, mobile number, phone number, then I'll change the text format of that cell. Okay, as you have seen in the home menu, it contains general format. General format is used for numbers and currencies. It is not used for text. Okay, so what I will do, I'll select all of these cells in which I want to write the number. Okay, then I'll go to general, and at this place I'll choose text. The format is text. From this button, number format. Okay, now I can write anything here. It is not giving any type of error. Without any formula, I can write the mobile number because I have changed the format of that number to text. Okay, I have told you the three ways: concat formula, and without formula. For that, these are 10 basic formulas for text in Microsoft Excel which are mostly used.